My brother in arms. Literally जिन लोगों को नहीं पता और I don't know क्यों नहीं पता, लेकिन बला में हम दोनों ने साथ काम किया. पता होना चाहिए आपको, बला देखना चाहिए अगर आपने नहीं देखा.
I think देखा हुआ होगा.
I think सबने देखा होगा. I'm so proud of that project.
Because we still do get the feedback.
We still get. It's been 8 years.
Yeah.
7-8 years.
Easy. Yeah.
And अभी तक लोग उसकी बात करते हैं और you were so good in it.
Okay, thank you.
You were so
but
good in
I think it was a collective play and everybody was doing a great job.
I'd like to begin the show because I think it would be really disrespectful if we didn't start with this, to offer our official condolences to you. I know that it's been a tough year and I don't want to touch on that too much and make you uncomfortable, but just out of respect, I think it's really important to acknowledge that, and I'm very sorry. And while we're on that, I would like to congratulate you because uske fauran baad you welcomed a baby girl.
Yes, actually I'm still under, I don't know, I'm too much overwhelmed.
Two major things
at
once.
Two extremes.
Two extremes.
Like Allah took my father and He made me father in a span of 25 days.
Oh my God.
So I don't know. I'm still thankful to Allah for whatever happened. But if I talk about it, I usually don't. I try not to think too much about it because I'm still not out of it, to be honest.
Of course.
Because life's changed after that. I don't see myself as I used to be in 2023.
Yes.
Because he came from London, he spent 15 days and he went out.
Oh God.
So everything happened so quickly.
My God.
And mashallah, he left the world in such good spirit. So we all, like, he was in front of me when he left. So we had this sukoon कि okay, he went like बहुत अच्छे तरीके से अल्लाह ने उनको बुलाया. And he was talking and he was just like, he was sitting with us, he ate his food and then he just talked a little and then something happened and he went out.
Oh my God.
So everything just happened like that and then after 25 days we were still in that thing और फिर
बेटी आ गई.
नूर जहां came.
What a beautiful name.
So you know, दुनिया इधर से इतना तेज सब कुछ हो रहा कि बंदा बोले यार एक मिनट just let me
absorb one thing.
Exactly. मतलब मुझे कुछ तो रोकना तो दो, मुझे पता तो चले कि अच्छा ये हो गया है और अब ये एक बड़ी चीज आ गई है. तो man, that's how Allah, you know.
Well, He's the best of planners, but sometimes the plans can be cruel.
Yeah, well, I won't say it's cruel because you know, हमें सबको पता है कि हम सबने जाना है. हम सबका एक टाइम होता है. And whatever you get in this world, it's a test.
Yeah.
It's a test. So अल्लाह ने वही बोला ना कि okay, मैं आपको टेस्ट करूँगा. Let's see who, you know, succeeds in it और कौन उसमें पीछे रह जाता है. So yeah, life goes on. तो ये तो चलता रहेगा. But yeah, whatever happened for good. That's what I believe.
I'm sorry to start on a grim note, लेकिन मुझे लगा कि it would be disrespectful अगर हम इतनी बड़ी चीज़ पहले acknowledge ना करें. And I had to pay my respects to him
and
so
much.
to you.
It means a lot.
And I'm glad that you're faring strong. You're a very strong person.
Try
mashallah.
to every day.
And mashallah, I'm sure he must be very proud of you. We all are. Tell me about Noor Jahan. You're a girl dad.
Oh my God.
You're a dad and you're a girl dad.
She is amazing.
So cute. And she looks just like you.
She's everything now.
Copy.
Oh, यार वो अजीब मतलब okay, so Zara and Noor Jahan are like this.
Yeah.
Like they're like this.
Yeah.
But we have this strange relationship, like you know, मतलब हम लोग आँखों में बात करते हैं और हमें पता होता है, मतलब we have this कुछ एक हमारा फ्लर्ट चल रहा होता है. I think मुझे ऐसा कभी कभार लगता है because वो मुझे देखती है, मैं उसको देखता हूँ, वो हंसती है, मैं हंसता हूँ, फिर मैं थोड़ा सा उसको प्यार करता हूँ, फिर मैं अपना चला जाता हूँ and she's with her mother. तो एक हमारा बड़ा एक अजीब सा एक
bond. You have a connection.
Yeah, we have this connection. उसको लगता है कि यार ये कोई है मेरा.
What's it like कि एक छोटी सी चीज़ है और वो आपकी कॉपी है, क्योंकि वो आपकी कॉपी है.
हाँ ये
That must be so strange.
Zara is very upset about this.
I know.
यार ये क्या मतलब मेरे 9 महीना मैंने रखा और she's all you.
Yeah.
तो बट बहुत मजे का है क्योंकि कल या पता नहीं आज हम लोग ऐसे ही बैठे हुए थे तो she was crawling, she started crawling, so she was crawling, तो अभी मैं यही बोला, तो मैंने कहा यार ये थोड़े टाइम पहले she was the one तुम्हारे पेट में ये थी और अब ये क्रॉल कर रही है इधर यार, ये दिस इज, तो वो जो छोटी छोटी जो चीजें हैं ना वो इतनी अमेजिंग है, इतनी खूबसूरत है कि आप सिर्फ देखते हो और सोचते हो और आप बोलते हो यार कमाल है, अल्लाह ने क्या क्या चीज़ कैसे करते हैं अल्लाह, और क्या मतलब it's beyond your imagination.
It is, man. Right? I'm excited to meet her. मैं भी
Oh yes, you guys have to.
मुझे बहुत ताने पड़े आपकी बेगम से.
हाँ, मुझे पता है, वो बता रही थी कि you guys.
We've been traveling and it's been crazy, but I can't wait.
No, please do, man.
What kind of a dad are you going to be? Like a strict dad, or like a bro dad?
I can't be strict dad but yeah, I want my child to be kind and be respectful. And there will be restrictions, but not to the point where she start feeling suffocated.
Okay.
You know, I want her to do whatever she wants.
Yeah.
But in good faith, she should know the values and the limits.
Yeah.
What's right, what's wrong? Because you can only tell your children what's right, what's wrong. You can't always force them, because once you start forcing them, उनको लगेगा they might get rebellious. You never know.
आप rebellious थे?
मैं yeah, I think I was very much pampered by my mom and dad, and plus my siblings, because I'm the fourth one in my family. Like my bhai, behan, me, and then my younger sister.
Yeah.
And I'm the youngest brother, like ladka.
Oh.
Yeah. So I've been pampered by everyone.
Yeah.
Everyone, like everyone, amma, abba, bhai, behan. So मुझे कभी कुछ ऐसा करने की जरूरत नहीं, पर मुझे जो करना था मैं करता था, मुझे कोई रोक टोक.
Were you a good kid in school?
I was a good kid, man.
Like good grades?
Yeah.
पढ़ाकू?
Yes, पढ़ाकू.
पढ़ाकू?
Yeah, पढ़ाकू.
दाढ़ी कैसे सोची?
यार मुझे अच्छी लगती है.
नहीं, वैसे
Because मैं जब वो करता था ना शेव का, तो मैं बहुत अजीब सा.
I've never seen you in a clean shave. You've always had हल्की फुल्की.
Yeah, because वो बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे ऐसा था कि मैं बिल्कुल ही बच्चा बन गया. So I don't like that. इतना clean मुझे नहीं पसंद ही नहीं है.
So अभी are you acting still? Are you coming back after taking a break?
Well, I'm still on a break because I'm waiting for a right time, right script.
मुझे पता है बहुत picky है.
Yeah, that's why I have started my own production house, because I want to create opportunities.
अच्छा.
Yeah, because I can't stick with one thing. I can't do monotonous stuff.
Yeah.
That's just not me. I feel like if I'm spending 50-60 days on any set, I have to enjoy it, man.
Yeah.
I mean, how would you?
Hi, हमने क्या वक्त गुजारे. Like Bala was so much fun because we had so much fun.
Bala was amazing.
But वो अगर ना होता, I've spent some tough days on some sets and.
Yeah.
और वो set 50-60 days एक go में भी नहीं ना होते. It's like.
अब तो हाँ.
So then you're spending a good 7-8 months of your life.
Exactly.
In the same work environment.
So if you don't enjoy your set, what's the point of working, man?
I agree.
I mean, we have a very what line we are in. It's very creative.
Yes.
और अगर आपको ब्लॉक लग जाए, आप काम ही नहीं कर सकते, बेकार है, मतलब कुछ हो नहीं सकता.
I agree. I absolutely agree.
So you know that's why.
What do you